Hey everyone, Christine Smith here with Smirk Media, and I help businesses create marketing strategies that drive their revenue. Most of my clients use our services to implement those strategies. This is important to our clients for a couple of reasons. First, maybe they just don't have the staff on hand that's required for a consistent marketing campaign, or maybe they just don't have the experience. And last, and what I hear most often, is that the companies we work with, they have plans, they have strategies. However, they find a month into it, or maybe 3 months into it, they find that they're getting sidetracked with other, quote, important tasks. We've all been there, right? If you're like most of my clients and you want to increase your revenue, the thing to do is search engine optimization. I discovered this when I was working with a client who wanted to rank on page 1 of Google. So what we did is we came up with some keywords, and I would recommend making the keyword list manageable, somewhere like 20-25 keywords. And from that list, we created topics. I actually have a little secret on how to create topics, multiple topics, from one keyword. I'll save that to share with you another time. The point I want to make today is that blogging strategy works to get you on page 1 of Google. Pay-per-click ads are great. However, once the budget runs out for the campaign, the ad is gone. When you're creating content, you're essentially creating an asset. That asset can be multi-purposed on different platforms and remain on the internet indefinitely. Thank you so much for watching, and if you know of anyone that could benefit from this information, please share it with them. I appreciate you taking the time to watch.